Okay children, welcome to our third class science session. Today we have to learn about that our application book. When you buy the textbooks, you get the application book. Children, you should buy the textbooks compulsory. Without a textbook, you can't understand. And we are giving the notes from that application book. We have that one is that course book, one is that application book. This is the course books about the lessons. What are that lessons are there in our textbook? We have to take the lessons through the course book. Next, we have another book is that application book, that is having worksheets, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the followings, and one word answers also there. Then we have to now open the application book, our third class. That is that worksheet number worksheet number 1.1 have first bit true or false. Look at here, state true or false. What is that? State true for T or false for F. Say, our body made up of only muscles, huh? No. Then we have to keep false. False means F. Then the adult human body have 206 bones. Yes, our human body have 206 bones in our body. Then it is true. True means T. Third one, skull covers and protects the brain. Skull covers. Yes or no? Then fourth one is false means we here keep F. Next we have to go to fifth one. Rib protects the lungs and kidneys. No. Ribs are protect only lungs only. Yes or no? Yes. Then this statement also false. We have to keep here F. First one false. Second one true. Third one true. Fourth one is no only that ribs can protect the lungs only. Then the statement is also false. We have to keep last one F. Then fill in the blank. The soft part covers the bones is called. What is that? Tell me. Muscles. Then I am writing here. First fill in the blanks. Muscles. Healthy food make our muscles and bones strong. Very good. Then first one, the soft part of covers our bones is called muscle. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles help us to produce movements in the body. Regular exercise and healthy food make our muscles and bones strong. These are the four fill in the blanks in their worksheet number 1, page number 1 should complete. After that you can turn the page means worksheet number 1.2 is looking at page number 2, that is application book. We have to know the questions in this have. First question, what is a human skeleton? What is a human skeleton? Is there now? What is the human skeleton? That all the bones in the body join together from a skeleton. The skeleton system gives us shape and support to our body. Yes, one more time I am repeating. All the bones in the body join together form a skeleton. The skeleton system gives shape and support to our body. Second question is that what is the function of skeleton in the human body? What is the function? The function of skeleton able to walk or stand. Some kind internal organs of our body. Next, third question. Define joints. How many joints are there in our human body? Third question. The place where two or more bones meet is called joints. Where is that? The place where two or more bones meet is called joints. That they are what they mean? The joints. There are about 640 muscles in our body. About 640 muscles are there in our body. That is where what is we called muscle? The soft part covers the bones is called muscle. The soft part. We have to touch here means somewhat soft. We have to touch here means the bones. We have to hard part is called bones. When we touch here, that soft part is there. That is called muscles. That is called muscle. That in our body about 640 muscles are there. These are the 4 question answers. Once again I am repeating now. First one, what are the skeleton? All the bones of the body join together form a skeleton. The skeleton system gives a shape and support to our body. Second question, what is the function of skeleton in human body? The function of skeleton able to walk or stand straight. It protects soft and internal organs of our body. What protects? The skeleton system protects us to soft and internal organs. Third question, define the joints. How many joints are there in our human body? That the place where 2 or more bones meet is called joints. Then the joint. See, look at the children one more time. How many body parts are there? How many bones are there in our body? What are the skeleton system? All the bones in the body join together form a skeleton system. Skeleton system gives a shape and support to our body. The second question is that what is the function of the skeleton in human body? The function of skeleton able to walk, stand straight. The skeleton protects soft and internal organs of our body. Third question, define the joints and how many joints are there in our body. In our body, the place where 2 or more bones meet is called joints. Where the place 2 or more bones are meet is called joints. They are found in various body parts such as neck, wrist, elbow. No, it is false. Second one, we have 206 bones. It is true. Third one, the skull covers. It is true. Fourth one, false. Fifth one, false. First, the soft part covers the bones is called muscle. I wrote here. Second one, their muscles are attached to the bones. I wrote here. And third one, the muscles help us to produce movements in our body. Here I wrote. See. And fifth one, the regular exercise and the healthy food is that healthy food. The fill in the blank here I will wrote. This is the last fill in the blanks. Fourth one. These are we have to complete our worksheet number 1. Then we have to go to the second worksheet 1.2. There are 4 question answers are there this side. You should note on the board. You should complete this and you can write in finger gap with one word to another word, and then you have to keep the photo and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay na children? Okay. Look here. So many question answers are there in worksheets. That each lesson have 3-4 worksheets. Then we have to go one worksheet. We have to complete that. Okay na? Then look at 1 minute. First answer. All the bones in the body join together form a skeleton. The skeleton system gives a shape and support to our body. The function of skeleton able to walk, stand straight. The skeleton protects soft and internal organs of our body. The place where 2 or more bones meet is called joints. They are found in various body parts such as neck, wrist, elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, etc. There are 360 joints in our body. Fourth answer is that soft part that covers the bones is called muscle. There are about 640 muscles are there in our body. We know that 4 question answers right, and first worksheet finished. Fill the blanks and Moreover, we have to true or false also there. Fill in the blanks, true or false. Compulsory, you should complete. And more last but the not least, you should buy the textbook. Without textbook, you can't understand. Then you have get two set of textbooks of science. One is that course book and application book. You should buy the textbooks, then you can understand the answers. Then we have to, when we are taking the test, you don't write the answers, means how can you get the answers? Okay, na? Should buy the textbooks within 2 or 3 days. Then you have get the application book also. Then you have to write the answers in that application book. Then you get the answers by reading and practicing. Afterwards, next week we have to conduct the test exams. Then you write the answers after by heart the question answers you can read. Okay na? Thank you.